Vanakkam, welcome back. I am Vino Rayen, your native Tamil tutor. Today we are talking the next step in your journey, learning how to introduce yourself in Tamil with confidence. Let's make a great first impression together. In Tamil culture, a humble introduction is the key to building respect and friendship. We will learn 7 simple sentences today. Please repeat each one after me to master the pronunciation. Let us begin. Sentence number 1. My name is. In Tamil, we say En peyar, followed by your name. For me, it is En peyar Vino. Let's practice together. En peyar, great. Now say your name. Sentence number 2. I live in. You say Naan, name of the city, vasikkiren. For example, Naan Thoothukudiyil vasikkiren. Let us try. Naan vasikkiren. This shows people where your home is. Sentence number 3. Your profession. To say I am a teacher, I say நான் ஒரு ஆசிரியர். If you are a student, say நான் ஒரு மாணவர். Practice with me. நான் ஒரு. That's right. Fine. Sentence number 4. I am learning Tamil. This will make locals very happy. Say, Naan Tamil karkiren. Slowly now. Naan Tamil karkiren. Great. It shows your dedication to this ancient language. Sentence number 5. Nice to meet you. This is a very polite phrase. உங்களை சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. Let us break it down. உங்களை சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. It literally means in meeting you there is joy. Let us review our key sentences. 1. En peyar, my name is. 2. Naan vasikkiren, I live in. 3. Naan Tamil karkiren, I am learning Tamil. 4. உங்களை சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. Nice to meet you. Excellent progress. மிக்க நன்றி for learning with me today. To practice these sentences in a private lesson, click my Preply link in the description. Don't forget to visit yoga-8.com and